Hi everyone, welcome back to 30 Days of English Mastery.
Hi, welcome back. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mark. Today is day 3.
Day 3? That's so exciting! If this is your first time here, please subscribe and click the bell icon. It's free and it really helps us.
Yes, and don't forget, comment below and tell us where you're watching from today.
So, Mark, yesterday we talked about family. Today, we are going to talk about something very common in everyday English.
Our homes. Today's topic is describing your home.
I love this topic because everyone loves talking about their house or apartment.
Exactly, and this is super useful because people ask this all the time. Where do you live? Or, what's your house like?
So let's start. Slow and clear, as always.
Lisa, let's start simple. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment, a small apartment in the city.
Nice. I live in a house with a garden.
Okay, let's repeat these words together, everyone. House, a house. Apartment, an apartment. Garden, a garden.
Very good. Now, your turn. Do you live in a house or an apartment? Think about it for a second.
Great. Now let's continue.
Lisa, is your apartment big or small?
It's small, but it's cozy.
Cozy. That means warm and comfortable. I love that word.
And your house, Mark? Is it big or small?
It's big. It's an old house, but it's very beautiful.
Let's practice these adjectives together. Big. My house is big. Small. My apartment is small. Old. An old house. New. A new apartment. Cozy. A cozy home. Modern. A modern apartment.
One more time, everyone. Big, small, old, new, cozy, modern.
Perfect. Now you can describe your home in English.
Okay, Lisa, let's talk about rooms. What rooms are in your apartment?
Good question. I have a living room, a kitchen, a bedroom, and a bathroom.
Simple. I have all of those too, plus a dining room and a garden.
Let's repeat the rooms slowly. Living room, the living room. Kitchen, the kitchen. Bedroom, the bedroom. Bathroom, the bathroom. Dining room, the dining room.
Excellent. Now, a simple sentence pattern for you.
There is a in my house. For example, there is a kitchen in my house.
Or, there are 2 bedrooms in my house.
There is, for one thing. There are for many things. Easy, right?
Lisa, what's your favorite room?
My favorite room is the kitchen. I love cooking.
Nice. My favorite room is the living room. I like watching TV there with my family.
Let's practice. My favorite room is because...
For example, my favorite room is the bedroom because it's quiet.
Now think about it. What's your favorite room? Write it in the comments.
Let's talk about furniture now. What's in your living room, Lisa?
In my living room, there is a sofa, a table, and a TV.
In my kitchen, there is a fridge, an oven, and a table too.
Key vocabulary, everyone. Sofa, a comfortable sofa. Table, a wooden table. Chair, a chair. Bed, a bed. Fridge, a fridge. Oven, an oven.
Great job. These words are very common, so remember them well.
Okay, let's put it all together. Watch this simple example.
I live in a small, cozy apartment. There is a living room, a kitchen, a bedroom, and a bathroom. My favorite room is the kitchen because I love cooking. There is a sofa and a table in my living room.
See? Simple sentences, simple words. And now you can describe your home too.
Don't worry if you make mistakes. Speaking slowly and clearly is more important than being perfect.
Practice makes progress, not perfection.
All right, everyone. That's it for day 3.
Today's homework. Write 3 sentences about your home in the comments below. Use the words we learned today.
For example, I live in a house. My favorite room is the bedroom. There is a big bed in my room.
We really want to read your sentences, so please write them below.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please like the video and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
Tomorrow, on day 4, we'll talk about daily routines. Don't miss it!
See you tomorrow, everyone.
Bye-bye!